What's going on, shoppers? It's your girl Abigail from Zappos.com, and this is the Excel V Backpack from Adidas. This first compartment features a mesh zipper pocket as well as this clip so you don't lose your keys. There's also 3 slip pockets here that are the perfect size for storing pens. This back compartment has a little spot to put your name and address, which is very convenient, and then a padded slip pocket area. It's going to be a great place to store a device so you can keep it extra safe. You've got tons of space in this backpack. You really can't go wrong. This fantastic backpack is crafted with a polyester exterior, and it's available in so many different colorways to choose from. It features these external chains that you can clip additional items to, and it has this top carrying handle as well as 2 adjustable backpack straps. There are 2 front zipper pockets that are going to be great for storing items you want quick access to. And then there's these mesh pockets here on the sides that are going to be great for storing water bottles, things of that nature. There are 2 compartments inside, and now let's take a look. You are going to excel with the Excel V Backpack. Grab yours today, it's from Adidas.